Did you know that companies with superior financial analysis capabilities are 2.5 times more likely to be top performers in their industry? Yet, many organizations struggle with complex financial analysis and reporting. Many businesses face challenges in interpreting complex financial data and producing insightful reports. This can lead to missed opportunities, poor decision-making, and difficulty in communicating financial performance to stakeholders. At an individual level, finance professionals may feel overwhelmed by the intricacies of advanced financial analysis techniques. Teams may lack a unified approach to financial reporting, leading to inconsistencies and inefficiencies. This course provides comprehensive training in advanced financial analysis and reporting techniques. It equips participants with sophisticated tools and methodologies to analyze financial data and create impactful reports. Participants will learn about advanced ratio analysis, cash flow modeling, valuation techniques, and financial forecasting methods. They'll also develop skills in using data visualization tools, interpreting complex financial statements, and crafting executive-level financial reports. For organizations, the impact is substantial. They'll see improved decision-making based on deeper financial insights, enhanced ability to identify financial trends and issues, and more effective communication of financial performance. This leads to better strategic planning, increased stakeholder confidence, and improved financial outcomes. On a personal level, participants will gain highly valued skills in financial analysis that can significantly boost their career prospects. Teams will benefit from a more sophisticated approach to financial analysis and reporting, fostering better collaboration between finance and other departments. Ready to become a financial analysis and reporting expert? Don't miss this opportunity to master advanced techniques. Enroll now and learn to unlock valuable insights from financial data and communicate them effectively.